Hey, so today I want to talk to you about how I'm building online income streams in my 50s. I want to show you how I went from being an ER doctor to having an online business that works for me. So 5 years ago, I was in that burnout struggle of working all these shifts and feeling like I just needed a break. And I had no clue, zero knowledge that this online automated business even was a thing. But fast forward to today, now I have my own online business that's automated, that works for me, and it generates me $900 commissions. I've got people in my community that are actually making $10K a week. And that's what I want to share with you because I want you to find out how you can do this for yourself. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact streams, what's truly passive versus what's not, the timeline, and how you can get started to have your own online business, even if you're exhausted and not techie. So if you're new here, my name's Heather. If we've not met, I'm a mom of 5 kids. I'm also a special needs mom, but I've been an emergency room doctor for coming up on 28 years. So I'm someone who knows what it feels like to be trapped by shifts and schedules. But I started this in my 50s, and if I can do this, then I know you can too. So let's talk about some passive income streams that you can get started today, even if you're a busy professional like me. So income stream number 1, YouTube. So unlike TikTok and Instagram, where their videos disappear in a day, YouTube is evergreen, meaning people can go back and access your videos for months and years in the future. So that material is always out there working for you. How does it pay you? Well, number one way is affiliate links. So for any products that you use or that you support, you can put those links in your description and people can click on those if there's something that they want to use, but you get an affiliate commission. Ad revenue is another way. Once you are monetized, YouTube can actually reach out to you and put ads on your videos, and then you get paid for advertising for them. And then a third way is it's actually a traffic engine. YouTube is going to be putting those videos out there and then driving people back to create an email list for you. So those people, those customers are going to go on your email list, and that is generating overtime as well. Yes, it takes work. There's making your script and filming it and editing it, but once that video is out there, it's working for me 24/7. That's why I call YouTube the foundation. Okay, let's talk about a second income stream, and that is digital products. Now, when I first looked at this, I thought very overwhelmed. I felt very overwhelmed because I thought, I can't create a digital product. I don't really know what I'm doing there. But then I came across a program that taught me how to use their digital products. It was a done-for-you program that taught me marketing, but it let me resell the program. So I actually was earning money as I was learning. Over time, I've actually learned how to create my own digital products, templates, guides, ways that I can teach other busy professionals how they can make this work for them. So once that product is built, it can sell over and over and over again, even if I'm at work or if I'm in the stand watching my kid play. Income stream number 3 is affiliate marketing, and this is one of the easiest ways to get started. You share links of things that you already use, like software or books or even Amazon products, and when people purchase through your link, you get paid. I call it fluid income because it flows alongside what you're already doing. So old videos adding affiliate links can pay you months ahead. In fact, I've linked below my favorite software that I use as my program. It's called System.io, and if you use the link, you can get started for free. All right, number 4 is memberships. Memberships or having a community can allow you to have monthly reoccurring income. And the best part is actually the members in the community support each other. So it's not just me pouring out into them all the time, we're working together. Monthly memberships and having that community bring stable reoccurring income for those bills that are actually also stable and reoccurring. Okay, let's talk about what's passive and what actually requires effort. Because let's be real here, none of this is just going to happen overnight. So what's more passive over time are those YouTube videos, digital products, membership links, and affiliate links. What I consider more ongoing effort is filming and editing, creating products, showing up for your community, and managing partnerships. But here's the magic. When you stack these streams, that compounded effort means freedom down the road and getting yourself on track for working less hours, less shifts, and not being so tied to that job that is not giving you that freedom. As an ER doctor, this is what's fueling me now to learn these skills and to pass that on to you so you can have a way to get out of that grind. So I'd love to know, put it in the comments, which one of those income streams speaks to you? Which one do you think would actually be the one that you'd like to start? And remember, you can get access to the one that I'm using right now that generates you $900 commissions. I put the link in the description for you. If you're burnt out, short on time, and feeling stuck, it's not too late. I'll see you in the next video.